everybody, welcome to today's video. This is Beauty by Sheila Lynn, where everything is always beauty related. And today's video we are talking about my spring edition. That just fell. Set dressing is good. All right, sorry about the interruption. Things happen on the set here at my house in my spare room. I wanted to talk to you guys about my FabFitFun box because I made a video on the winter edition, which I was so blown away by. I don't know if this box necessarily stands up to the winter, but it's still really good nonetheless. So if you guys are still on the fence, you don't know if you want to try, make sure to leave some information in the description below because FabFitFun has generously given me 5 starter boxes to send out to you guys. All you have to do is pay for shipping. Now again, keep in mind if you are planning on joining, you don't have to do anything, but if you're like, I just want to try it, get the free stuff and be done with it, make sure that you cancel your subscription quickly, because if you don't, you will be billed and it will be sent out, and then you're gonna fall in love with it and then you're gonna not be able to say no. But I do think that it is a fantastic value for the money. So if you can afford the 50 bucks every 3 months, I would say absolutely go for it. It's a thumbs up for me. I am a huge bargain shopper and I don't really pay full price for pretty much anything. FabFitFun gives me the opportunity to get high-end products at a very low price, which I really appreciate. Getting into it, this is the box. It's super cute. It's got butterflies. It's like all springy-ish. It comes with this cute little magazine here. It tells you a little bit about the products that they include. Not everything is included in like the general. I'm just in the general category. I don't do add-ons, and I'll tell you why. It scares me to think that I can do add-ons and then pay for it when it gets billed, because you're like, oh, just adding to the cart, adding to the cart, adding to the cart, and then next thing you know, you get billed and it's like 200 bucks. Now don't get me wrong, I think that the add-ons are well worth it, but your girl is on a budget, so 50 bucks is about all I can afford. You know what I'm saying? Okay, moving on to the products. I really was excited to try a lot of this stuff. The number one thing that jumped out at me, which is crazy because it's like, how did they know that I needed a new moisturizer? Don't ask me, but they knew. So the one I was super excited about is this Myriad Rapid Collagen Infusion. When I was reading it, it says it's a fast-acting treatment with a topical filler-like effect, plumps skin surface to minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles just after one use. In bold here, it does say reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles within 2 hours. If you're planning on going somewhere, this is going to be like a secret weapon. And I have used it. It still is in the package, but I put it back in the package just so you guys can see it. I have used it and I really like it. I will say that I put it on my smile lines that are getting a little deeper because I smile a lot. I do have a few wrinkles that are coming in here. You guys can see they're not terrible. I'm not complaining, but I am starting to show just a few, you know, smile lines, wrinkle lines, whatever you want to call them. I haven't decided to do Botox just yet, so this is really cool. I put it on at night and in the morning I noticed a really big difference. So I would say that I didn't see a huge difference within 2 hours, but I did notice a difference after sleeping. If you have somewhere to go the next day and you really want to look bright and awake and open, I would absolutely positively suggest this Myriad Rapid Collagen Infusion. So this alone, let's see how much this retails for. Sorry, Gina. Taking Gina down. Let's see. So that collagen infused Myriad 2B, that one, good gravy. That retails for $78 just by itself, and I can see why it retails for that much because it does really work. I'm being serious. I put it on earlier and I definitely can see a difference in my fine lines, especially around here. These are getting really bad. But you need fillers for that, and fillers scare the crap out of me. Botox, not so much. Fillers scare me because they move. So that alone was worth $78. So I'm cool with like just having that for 50 bucks because even that's a discount. All right, I did get this gorgeous shawl thing here. I don't know, I wish I could stand up and show you guys. I'll insert a picture for you. I have it on with like my little cute little bodysuit tank and some jeans. Mama Chubs. But this is kind of a go-to outfit for me lately. With a cute little cami on, I can just throw something on over it. It's super comfortable. I really like it a lot, and it looks like it could go with a lot of people's skin tones. So this was a cool pick for me. Plus it has pockets. Who doesn't love pockets, right? I love pockets. I almost bought a wedding dress specifically because it had pockets, but that was a long time ago. This cute little, they call it a ribbed sweater coat, retails for $99. $99. So far this box is already at $177 retail for 50 bucks. If you guys haven't signed up, I don't know what you're waiting for. For reals, okay? Next thing that I got that I haven't used just yet is this gorgeous rose gold brush. It's called a Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. It's from Aria Beauty. This little insert's super cute. It's such a beautiful brush. It's got a gorgeous handle. I can always use more brushes no matter what. Although my wet brush is my go-to because it doesn't pull my hair out. Because my hair gets super tangled. Fine as it is, it gets really tangled. So I am excited. I haven't tried it just yet, but I will let you guys know on a follow-up video. Let's see, that detangling brush retails for $35. It says it's perfect for all hair types. The extended bristles offer easy detangling and reduce stress to the hair and scalp, which is awesome. Anytime that you can reduce stress to the scalp is great, especially if you're trying to grow your hair out, which most of us are, right? So far we are up to $177 plus $35. Carry the 2. Another thing I'm going to try on for you guys that I'm super excited about, 3A, called Amber. Gosh, and I'm sorry, Amber, if I say your last name wrong. Amber Sceats or Sets. Amber Sets. Gorgeous double layer coin necklace features a detailed coin design on gold colored chains. Now gold is a really good color on me, so I'm glad they sent me gold. Either gold or silver or rose gold. I really just like jewelry in general. So this, you guys, is made in Australia, which I think is pretty cool. I don't think I've ever had anything made in Australia. That retails for $50. So we are up to $212, right? Plus 50, so that is $262. We're up to $262, you guys, and I still have 2 more items to go. So if you don't think the $49.99 is worth it, you guys are sadly mistaken. Jump on board. All right, I'm gonna open up this necklace so that you guys can see it. Oh, it does say it's made in China, but maybe the company, yeah, the company is in Waterloo, Australia. And if you guys want to know a fact about my name, Sheila, Sheila means girl in Australia. So if you ever go there and your name is Sheila, a bunch of Sheilas, people who are Australian are probably hating me right now. Not sure how that would go over with me traveling. It's kind of like if you meet someone here and their name is Guy. I've always thought that was kind of an odd name for a gentleman. Hey Guy, what's up, Guy? Alright. So I'm gonna put this necklace on for you guys so you can see it. It's really pretty. I actually love the idea of the coins. Ancient, which I like. I think it's really cool. And it's a double layer, which I think you could kind of probably wear with a lot of different things. Something low top, high top. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. So it says the Amber Sceats necklace is made with quality and longevity as a focus. It requires handling with care to remain in original condition. Avoid cleaning products, chlorine, and hairspray. Body lotion and perfume will tarnish your necklace. Apply before wearing. Allow to dry and spray directly onto the necklace. And avoid spraying directly onto the necklace. Do not wear your necklace whilst swimming or showering. I think most of us don't wear our jewelry when we shower, unless you have stainless steel earrings like I do, because I'm super self-conscious about my big earlobes. I have my daddy's earlobes, but it is quite lovely. Moving on, guys. The next one is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep Savio. I need my friend Lily who speaks French. Savio for better nights and brighter mornings. Basically what it seems to me is like it's like a lotion that helps you relax. And I know that a lot of us have trouble sleeping. So let's see, this deep sleep cocoon lotion. Let's see, gotta flip the page. So I will say one thing that I'm really sad that I didn't get, because I'm like a weird bag lady. I don't know what it is about bags. I freaking love bags, and I freaking love beach bags. I don't know why. Beach bags and beach towels and coffee cups. This one here, 1B. All right, y'all, it is, I'm sorry, 1D. D is in dog. The Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote. I would have absolutely loved that one, but that's okay. I really feel like I got some really great stuff. So let's see, this Deep Sleep Body Cocoon 6A. Wow. Dang, that retails for $40. So what were we up to? We were up to $262 plus 40, so we're at $302 right now. Now that includes all of the main items, and I also received a mystery choice. I'm super stoked about this one. Can you guys guess what's in here? Maybe? Does it look like skincare? Yeah, it is. It's skincare. But I was out of my serum. My Drunk Elephant, my littles are gone. Drunk Elephant, if you're listening, I would love a little bit more product. I use it all the time and I talk about it on my social media a lot. But the Better Skin Company has this Epic C serum. It says it tightens, brightens, and revitalizes. Now, I like using a serum underneath my moisturizer. I started doing that with Drunk Elephant when they sent me my Littles package. It gives you a little bit of information about each product and it tells you how to layer it. What I started to do per their direction was to put on a serum and then encase it with the moisturizer so that the hydration stays and it doesn't budge. It's like FabFitFun was listening. How did you guys know I needed a new serum? This I'm super excited about, you guys. Anytime skincare comes in the mail, I'm like, yes, because I hate going and buying skincare. I have to be honest. You know, the people who work for these companies, I can respect you guys. It is a tough job, but I really feel like you guys are just trying to sell me something all the time. So to get it in one of these cool packages, that makes me happy so that I can try it and see if it's something that, you know, that I would really potentially like. Now, I don't see it in the magazine. I think because it was an add-on, like a mystery item. I don't know if they have it back here. Sorry guys, I'm just looking through this magazine. They have some cute stuff, like they have a lot of really good exclusive offers. I'll put this up for you guys. Now these are exclusive to FabFitFun people. One is the AG Hair, the Tousle Texture. Now AG Hair Care is really kind of coming up in the hair industry. When they first came out, they came out with this, it's like a paste, and what it does is you put it in your roots and it just kind of bumps your roots. And for people, again, like me, who need as much bounce as we can get, it really is kind of a breakthrough product, and I use it all the time and it smells amazing. But AG Hair Care, if you guys can get your hands on it, that stuff's awesome. And then I thought this robe was really pretty too. Have you guys ever like tried to find just the perfect robe? I have. I like a fluffy one, but then the fluffy one gets dog hair all over it and then it gets kind of too hot. And then I have a cotton one, and the cotton one's good, but I feel like it gets dirty really easy. So I'm still on the hunt for the perfect robe. So if you guys know of any, let me know. Leave it in the comments. I'll be sure to check it out. One other thing I wanted to share with you guys that I didn't last time that I think is so cute is that they have horoscopes, and I love horoscopes. I'm super into stuff like this. I think a lot of it is true. So this is Bloom because it's spring. This season, root yourself in your home and give it new life with a houseplant. Okay, I have lots of houseplants. My husband is like he has a serious green thumb. That's all I have to say. So I don't really think I need any new houseplants, but this says that I should get a bunny cactus. That sounds adorable. And I don't know if you guys have seen these. I'm gonna put in a picture. They're the cutest things. in the whole world, and they're like taking over everything. Everybody loves these little bunny cactuses, and it makes sense because I love bunnies. Okay, so Cancer is not always quick to come out of her shell. Really? Similarly, the bunny cactus is also a bit guarded. While it doesn't have big spikes, its short and fuzzy prickles protect it from outsiders who are getting a little too close for comfort. A reminder to look, but don't touch. I don't know how much my mystery choice retails for, but looking into everything, the total without the serum is $302. So again, if you guys are still on the fence, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what I waited for. I've only received 2 boxes, but I did hear that the winter one was the best, so I'm glad I got in when I did. I think the cool thing about this box too, you guys, you know how cheap I am, right? I talk about it all the time. But if you see something that you think a friend would like, save it for their birthday, save it for Christmas. So you guys can save yourself time and money when the holidays come up, when birthdays come up. I really think this is a great thing to share with people as well. So like if you know somebody's kind of sad, you know, things aren't going really well in their life, you show up to work or like to lunch with a pretty little gift and they're like, wow, thank you for thinking about me. So don't always think about yourselves in these packages. Think about giving things away as gifts. I think that people would really, really appreciate it because again, these are things that are higher end. All right, so thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. Appreciate you guys watching so much. If you would subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. And remember to click that little bell to be notified of new content just like this every week. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. And remember to always stay distracted.